Good evening, students. Today we will solve some questions from exercise 8C of LCF, HCF and LCM chapter. This is your last exercise of this chapter, and these questions are asked from particularly LCM, that is lowest common multiple. LCM stands for LCM, that is lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. Now there are three methods for finding LCM. Like HCF, there are three methods for finding LCM. Number one is common multiple method. Number two is prime factor method. And number three is common division method. So there are three methods. Number one, common multiple method. Number two, prime factor method. And number three, common division method. Clear? So there are three methods all total. So first question is question number one. First question is, using common multiple method, find the LCM of 8, 12 and 24. Using common multiple method. So what is the method? We have to find out the LCM of 8, 12 and 24 using common multiple. So you will first find multiple of 8, then multiple of 12 and multiple of 24. Clear? So first find out multiple of 8. So multiple of 8. So multiple of 8, that is 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40 and so on. Clear? Next, multiple of 12, that is 12 ones are 12. We will start from 1. Clear? 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60 and so on. Next, multiple of 24 equals to 24s are 24, 24 twos are 48, 24 threes are 72, 24 fours are 96, 24 fives are 120 and so on. So we have done multiple of 8, multiple of 12 and multiple of 24. So the method is common multiple. Common multiple means we have to find common numbers between these three multiples. So clearly see, the common number is 24. There should be more than one common numbers. There may be more than one common numbers. But we will just take the first common number. Listen carefully. There may be more than one common numbers, but we will take only the first common numbers. Clear? And the first common number is 24. 24. Here is also 24. This is the first common number. Clear? So answer is your 24. The LCM will be your 24. Therefore, you will write LCM of 8, 12 and 24 equals to 24. This is common multiple method. We will take the first multiple, that is we will take the first common number, and that will be your answer. This is the common multiple method. Clear? Next, question number 2. This is common multiple method. Question number 2, find the LCM of the following using the prime factor method and the common division method. That means we have to find out the LCM of these three numbers using first the prime factor method and then the common division method. So the first method is prime factor method. Question number 2. The first method is prime factor method. The numbers are 18, 24 and 96. So write down, given numbers are 18, 24 and 96. The first method is common prime factor method. So like HCF, we will first factorize these three numbers using prime numbers. As the method is prime factor method, so like HCF, we will first factorize these three numbers using prime numbers, only prime numbers. So 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Therefore 18 equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2. Clear? Next 2. 2 12s are 24, 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 3, 1. So 24 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Therefore 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 1. Next 96 to 48 to 24 12 6 2 3 1. This is 3. So 96 equals to how many 2's? 1 2 3 4 5. There are 5 2's and 1 3. 2 into 2 2 into 2, there are 5 2's and 1 3. Therefore this is 2 to the power 5 into 3 to the power 1. So therefore LCM of 18 24 and 96 equals to, now we will choose common numbers with highest power. Clear? Listen carefully. In LCM we will choose common number with highest power, but in case of HCF we will choose common number with lowest power. In HCF lowest power and in LCM highest power. Clear? So common number is 2 and also 2 is present, therefore we will take 2, but we will choose highest number in case of LCM. So highest power of 2 is 5, so we will take 5. Next common number is 3, and highest power of 3 is 2, so this is your LCM. Clear? So 2 to the power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 3 to the power 2 means 3 into 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 96, and 96 3s are 3 6 are 18, carry 1, 3 9s are 27, and 1 28. So LCM is 288. This is your answer. So this is prime factor method. LCM is 288. Clear? So next method is common division method. We have to find LCM of these numbers, same numbers, but the method is common division method. The method is common division method. This is the most easiest method, and it will take not much time. Common division method, therefore given numbers are 18 24 96, so common division method 18 24 96. This is common division method. Choose any number, try to choose smallest number. Clear? Don't try to take number which is much bigger, just try to take lowest number. So we will take 2, so 2 9s 18, 2 12s, 2 48 and 96. Next take 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 16s are 48. Next 2, 3 is same, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. Next 2 3, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 3 1 and 4. Clear? 3 1 and 4. So your LCM will be LCM equals to 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 4. We will take all these numbers. We will take all these numbers. So LCM is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 24 3s are 72, and 72 4s are 4 2s are 8, 4 7s are 288. So answer is 288. This is your common division method. Clear? Now next question number 3. Question number 3 says the HCF and the LCM of two numbers are 50 and 300 respectively. If one number is 150, find the other. HCF is 50 and LCM is 300. So write down HCF equals to 50 and LCM equals to 300. One number is 150, given one number is 150. So these three things are given. HCF is given, LCM is given, and one number is given. We have to find out the other number. So there is a formula. If HCF and LCM and one number is given, to find out HCF, to find out the other number, we have a formula. The formula is the other number equal to product of HCF and LCM divided by one number. This is the formula. The other number equals to product of HCF and LCM divided by one number. This is the formula. If HCF and LCM and one number is given, the formula for finding out the other number is product of HCF and LCM divided by one number. So just put the values at the respective places. Therefore, other number equal to product of HCF and LCM. That means HCF is 50 and LCM is 300. This is the product. One number is given as 150. Therefore, other number equal to, just reduce zeros, 5 3s are 15, 3 is 100. Therefore, answer is 100. Therefore, other number is 100. Therefore, you will write the other number equals to 100. This is your answer. Clear? The other number is 100. Next, question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 says the product of two numbers is 432 and LCM is 472. Find HCF. Product is given and LCM is given. Product of two numbers is given. That is product of two number equal to 432 and LCM is 72. LCM equal to 72. We have to find out the HCF. So also in this case there is a formula. If product of two number and LCM is given, to find HCF there is a formula. So we will write the formula. HCF equal to their product divided by LCM. HCF equal to their product divided by LCM. Or you can write product of two numbers. You can write also product of two numbers divided by LCM. Clear? Therefore, HCF equals to product of two numbers is given as 432 and LCM given as 72. Therefore, HCF equals to, just reduce, HCF is 6. Therefore, HCF equal to 6. This is your answer. Clear? So HCF is 6. Question number 4 complete. Next, last question, question number 5. Question number 5. Find the smallest number which when increased by 1 is exactly divisible by 12, 18, 24, 32 and 40. Read carefully. Find the smallest number which when increased by 1, this is important, which when increased by 1 is exactly divisible by these numbers. That means we will first, as the smallest number is asking, as they are asking smallest number, therefore we will first LCM of these four numbers, clear? 1 2 3 4 5, these 5 numbers. As smallest number is asking, they are asking smallest number, therefore we will first LCM, we will first find out LCM of these numbers. Clear? So numbers are 12, 18, 24, 32 and 40. So just find out LCM of these 5 numbers. You can find LCM by any one of the method, but I will suggest you to try to find out LCM using common division method. It will because it will take much less time, and if you want to go any one of the method you can go, but in common division method it will take much short time. Okay, so 12, 18, 24, 32 and 40. Find out LCM first. Let's do it by 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 12s are 24, 2 16 is 32, 2 20s are 40. Again do it by 2. 2 3s are 6, 9 remains itself. 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16, 2 10s are 20. Next do it again by 2. 3 9, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. Do it by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 4 5. Clear? So LCM is, therefore we will write, therefore LCM of 12, 18, 24, 32 and 40 equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 1 into 4 into 5. We will take all these numbers. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 3 into 1 into 4 into 5. We will take all these numbers. So LCM is 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72, 72 4s are 288 and 288 into 5. 2885. It's 1440. It's 1440. So this is the LCM. This is not your answer. This is not your answer. This is just the LCM of these numbers. Now we have to find out the smallest number which when increased by 1 is divisible by this. That means আমাকে একটা স্মলেস্ট নাম্বার বার করতে হবে যেটাকে আমি যদি 1 ইনক্রিজ করে দিই তাহলে পরে এটা 18 12 24 32 40 দিয়ে ডিভিজিবল হবে. দ্যাট মিন্স ইফ দে আর আস্কিং ইনক্রিজড বাই 1 উই উইল জাস্ট সাবট্রাক্ট 1 from the LCM. Listen carefully. If they are asking increased, we will just subtract from the LCM. As this is increased by 1, so we will just subtract 1 from LCM. And if they are asking decreased, we will just add that number to your LCM. That means if they are asking increased, we will just subtract the number from LCM. And if they are asking for decreased, we will just add that number to LCM. Clear? Increased by 1, that means we will subtract 1 from the LCM, and if it is decreased by 1, then we will add that 1 from of LCM. Clear? Therefore if it is increased, we will subtract, and if it is decreased, we will add. Clear? So here it is increased, so we will just subtract 1 from LCM, and that will be your answer. Therefore you will write required smallest number will be 1440 minus 1 equal to 1439. This is your answer, 1439. Clear? Because 1439 is the smallest number which when increased by 1 exactly divisible by these 4 numbers. Clear? So this is all about HCF and LCM chapter. Your chapter is complete. In the next session we will solve or we will do the next chapter. Thank you.